In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save video in Clipchamp 5 minutes. By the end, you'll know 2 simple ways to make sure your work is safely stored, relying on Clipchamp's built-in autosave and exporting a finished file to your computer. You'll start right after creating your video inside the editor. If you're ready to wrap up, look to the top corner for the 3-line menu icon, sometimes called the hamburger menu. Click that, then choose Back to Home. This takes you out of the editor and back to your Clipchamp home screen. Don't worry, your project is automatically saved as you work, and returning home is a quick way to confirm that. On the home screen, you'll see your project listed with a thumbnail. That visibility means Clipchamp has kept your latest changes. It's a great habit to pop back to home when you're done editing so you can clearly see your project in your library. If you also want a video file on your computer to share, upload, or archive, export from the editor. Click Export. Clipchamp will ask you to select a video quality. Choose the option that fits your needs. Higher resolutions look sharper and are best for most sharing, while lower resolutions create smaller files and export faster. If you're unsure, a standard high definition option is a safe bet for most projects. Next, click Select Folder. Your system's file browser will open so you can choose exactly where the video will be saved. Pick a location you can find easily, like your desktop or a dedicated project folder. After you've highlighted the destination, click Select to confirm. Clipchamp will begin processing and saving your video. You'll see a progress indicator so you can track the export. Keep the browser tab open and avoid closing the editor while this runs. Larger or more complex videos can take longer, and the final file size will depend on the resolution and length of your project. When the export completes, your video is saved to the folder you chose, ready to play, upload, or share. To recap, there are 2 outcomes here. First, your project itself is auto-saved in Clipchamp, which you can verify by going back to the home screen and finding it in your library. Second, if you need a standalone file, use Export, pick your quality, choose Select Folder, confirm with Select, and let the export finish. With these steps, you'll always know where your work lives and how to deliver a polished file when you need it.